Hello everyone, Janet Smith here, and today I want to show you how to add a photo URL to your post in CinchShare. So when you're in CinchShare, this is the default page to schedule a post. You can click in this area right here and add a photo URL. So let's go over to Google. I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to Google my inspirational fashion business, which is 300 Dandelions, which it was already in there. So let's go ahead and click on the images for the words 300 dandelion seeds. And the majority of these pictures, if not all of them, are pictures from my website. So any picture that you have, or any picture that you find, you can copy the um, photo URL and paste it into CinchShare. Just be aware or be cautious when you are using pictures that you have the approval to use that particular picture and that URL, because all photos on Google are not available for you to post without some type of copyright infringement, securities. So these pictures right here, I know I can post because this picture, for example, is mine. So click on the photo that you want and then right click on that picture and copy the image address. And then take that back over to CinchShare, and in the section that says photo URL, click in there and then right click and paste in your URL. And then your photo will pop up. So you can then type your post as normal, and you can schedule it to one of your networks here in your group, your pages, your Instagram, or your Twitter, or you can just click and you can save it to schedule it at a later time. This is how you do a photo URL in CinchShare, and thanks for watching.